As the former principal at Highland, that will now be Harada Elementary School, it's been a real pleasure to spend the last few months researching the Harada story and really putting into place the things in order to transfer Highland to Harada Elementary, culminating with today a court case of watching the actual court case and having the opportunity to share it with our students, to share it with other staff, so that the story of civil rights, the story of determination, the story of love of your country, and what is right and what is possible can be told throughout our entire district, not just our elementary school, but middle school and high school, so that the story can resonate among everyone.
Today I learned a lot about our legal system and how it is used to enforce and help our citizens of our country.
What I found most interesting was being able to connect what I learned in school, like from AP Gov, to connect it to really how it is in the real life of a case. So I found that really interesting.
I really didn't know what the inside of a courthouse looked like, how things went down, what a plaintiff or a defendant was. Today, I learned all that, as well as tips from the judge that you should always be unbiased when you make decisions.
I learned that judges have a really big job in order to decide something completely unbiased and make the right choice, and whether to choose one side or the other.
Good to have like an understanding that there's more to it than just like the simple things. Like, while the simple things are important, it's really nice to see the background and like, how does this impact the bigger things? You can make small change, and small change is important. And through small change, we can make bigger change.
So I found the most interesting thing is that the fact that it happened here in Riverside, that we made this big of a change, like one step forward into like immigration policies. Like, I thought that was really cool.
I think it's important to inform the youth about our legal system so they know like not only their rights, but how to get involved in their community.